Hi, it's Edward W. Cotney. This is a chapter review from my first book, Tax Secrets Made Simple. I specialize in working with high net worth families who are ready to pay less tax for the rest of their lives. I wrote this book to help business owners and individuals begin their journey to pay less tax. Let's jump into the next chapter. Chapter 3 from Tax Secrets Made Simple. Ownership versus control. This is a toughie. A lot of people struggle with ownership and control. Of course, when you have complete ownership, it's all yours, subject to everything that goes on in your life, such as bad things, creditors, predators, lawsuits, judgments, divorces, etc. Control versus ownership, which is better? Well, many wealthy people believe that control is superior to ownership. Because when you have control, you have the ability to isolate assets and control them in such a way that can protect them from bad things like judgments, creditors, predators, etc. For example, if I have a building that's in my name as an individual and something bad happens, it could be that I end up in a lawsuit with a judgment and could lose part or all of that building in that payment. Whereas if I have the building inside of a business entity like an LLC or corporate structure or something of that nature, there's an element of asset protection. Key thing about tax planning: if you lose your assets in a lawsuit, judgment, whatever, you've also solved your tax bill because you no longer have any assets. So to do tax planning without appropriate asset protection, it's just not acceptable. You shouldn't do it. So you'll hear me in several of these chapters talk about control, asset protection while doing tax planning, because what we don't want to have is a scenario where the tax planning causes you to not have asset protection, and we don't want to have asset protection where the tax planning is forwarded. That old adage, don't let the tax tail wag the dog. My point here is protect your assets using LLCs, corporations, etc. Have strong discussions with your CPAs and your attorneys to create that degree of asset protection to make certain you can preserve that asset for the rest of your life. I hope this message from my book, Tax Secrets Made Simple, has inspired you to learn how to pay less tax and enjoy more life. In my videos, I share insights into how to utilize the most generous tax code on the planet, courtesy of the Internal Revenue Service. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Visit my website, olympustax.com, to buy my book or contact me. Only you can exercise your right to pay the least amount of tax due. Watch for the next video covering another topic from my book, Tax Secrets Made Simple.